Job openings in Zoho Recruit. Now, the various job requisitions or job openings in an organization can directly be set up within the job openings module. And to do so, navigate to job openings, click on the plus icon on the right top corner, and add the job opening information. Now, if you simply want to add the job opening information into Zoho Recruit and not publish it onto any other sources, you can add the posting title and the department alone, and this is sufficient for you to save the job opening record. But if you're looking to publish your job opening onto job boards or the career site as well, there are some additional fields that you have to fill in as part of the job publishing process. And these fields are the industry that the job opening belongs to or the organization belongs to, the job type, the address information, and the job description as well. The job description is split into 3 sections, which is the job description, which talks about the responsibilities of the job. And then you have the requirements that talks about the qualification or the minimum criteria that the candidate needs to be qualified enough for the job. And then the benefits that the organization has to offer. So there needs to be a minimum of 150 characters in the job description. And apart from this, you can also key in information such as who the hiring manager on this job opening is going to be, who are the recruiters that are going to be responsible for this job opening, and within the number of positions section, you can determine how many candidates you're looking to hire for this particular job opening. So once you're done adding this particular information, you can go ahead and click on save to save the job opening record, or you can click on save and publish to save the job opening record and be redirected to an interface where you can select which job boards or career site you would like to publish the job opening to. And something to add here is that whenever you're creating a new job opening, you can utilize a job template where predefined information is going to be populated on the job opening record that you can modify and then go ahead and click on save. Now, let's assume we save the job opening record, at which point a new record is going to be created within the job openings module. So we can go ahead, click on the existing job opening record, and if there are any changes that need to be made, we can scroll through the job opening record, click on the edit icon against each of these fields, update the information, and then save them. Alternatively, we can click on the edit icon on the right top corner of the record, update multiple fields together, and go ahead and click on save. Once you're done, you can then go ahead and choose to publish the job opening by clicking on the publish icon on the right top corner. So once we click on publish, we can determine which job boards we would like to publish the job to, and if we need to publish this onto the career site, we can select the career site as well. Once we're done, we can determine whether if this particular job opening is closed, you still want this job opening to be available on the career site. That way, candidates when they come into the career site are aware of the different types of job openings that are available and will also know that if a particular job opening is closed, it will be marked as closed on the career site as well. So once you determine that, you can toggle this icon and go ahead and click on save. Go ahead, click on next, and determine the application form and the pre-screening assessment that needs to be available for candidates to fill in. Now, the application form allows the candidates to fill in their profile information, and the pre-screening assessment is more or less of a pre-screening questionnaire using which you can determine whether a candidate is going to be qualified enough for a job opening. Once you're done, go ahead, click on publish. That way, this job opening is going to be published across all the different portals and the career site that you've published the job opening to. So once these actions are completed, you can see all the job openings related information such as the various applicants that have come through or any submissions that have happened directly within the job opening record under the related list section within the left panel of the screen. So these are job openings within Zoho Recruit.